I would like to explain, like, solve this problem. Here, given the participant score sheet for your university sports day, you are required to find the runner-up score. You are given n score, store them in a list, and find the score of the runner-up. So it's basically I want to find the second last element of the list. So first, I would like to take the input number from the user, then list map init, then input dot split. Yeah, so it takes integer as an input and convert it in the list, and then it splits. So 23665 will split. Then after I will sort, so it's arranged in a ascending order. Once it's arranged in a ascending order, then I will, now we can check that till now we are not solved the problem. We just, yeah, only it's sorted in the ascending order. Now we have to remove the duplicates. So for that, take, now it will remove the duplicates. Yeah, so like it's this is the method to remove the duplicates. It converts it in a dictionary. Then again we converted in the list, like back to the list. Yeah, once this done, then we have to write the runner-ups, which is -2. So last 2 second. If I take -1, then it's last. -2 means last 2 second. Yeah, it's prints 5. One is testing yet. Okay, done. Just submit. Yeah, great. It's done.